Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess.com on a school Chromebook. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the chess.com website. It is important to have a reliable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once on the site, you can log into your existing account or easily create a new one in just a few moments. This allows you to access all the features and games available. School networks frequently employ filters that can block access to certain websites, including many gaming platforms like chess.com. It is worth trying to access the site during times when network traffic is lower, such as early mornings or after school hours. Remember, some educational institutions might permit access to specific game sites if they are deemed beneficial for learning or strategic thinking. If direct access to chess.com is blocked, you might explore alternative methods. One option is to try a reputable web-based proxy service, which can sometimes bypass network filters. Another approach is to use your Chromebook in guest mode, as this might have fewer restrictions. Also, check if a web application for chess.com is available and accessible through the Chrome Web Store. While enjoying chess.com, always remember to prioritize your schoolwork and academic commitments. Chess is a fantastic tool for developing critical thinking and strategic skills, offering countless hours of engaging play. However, it is crucial to always adhere to your school's specific technology usage policies and guidelines to ensure a positive and uninterrupted experience. Play smart and learn well.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.